Lesson 2, B, present tense, negative, subject plus be plus not. Be present tense negative, write in your notebook. Singular, I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not. We are not, you are not, they are not. Now, I am going to give you some examples about myself. I am not Michael Jordan. I wish. I am not a pilot. I don't fly planes. I am not from China. I am from America. I am not 20 years old. I am 36 years old. I am not a grumpy person. I am happy. I am not a student. I'm a teacher. You are not a teacher. You are a student. He is not outside. He's inside. She is not angry. She's happy. It is not a chair. It's a banana. Now for plural, meaning many. In Hebrew, it's rabim. We are not students. We are a family. Now, with this picture, you are not a family. You are students. You see the students? You are students. And you too, that are listening, you are students. These guys down here, they are not students. They are workers. So now we have a thing called contractions. I am not. You can also say I'm not over here. You are not. Or you can say you aren't. Or you're not. You see? Now moving up here. He is not. One person, a man. He isn't. He's not. Now for a girl or a woman, you can say she is not, or she isn't, or she's not. And down there, we're talking about a dog. It's an animal, so we're going to say it. It is not. It isn't. It's not. Okay, so over here, we're going to be talking about plural, and over here too, plural, plural, meaning many, many, many. And we have we. So here we are together, my students. We are not. We aren't. Or we're not. Again, another way, when I'm talking about you guys, but with many, not you are as one, but you for many. You are not. you aren't, or you're not. All the same. And last but not least, about people. They are not, or they aren't, or they're not. So guys, thank you for that. If you want to try the exercise, you can come to my website, and we're going to be right now in the starter level. So you can click on the link and you can actually get exercises there. I hope everything is well. Bye for now.